front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to find Google. Click on it. Choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager and click on any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock. Hit the Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!